Welcome back to the channel, guys. Let's put this old bird back together. Gonna let it sit for an hour, and then I'll torque those down tight. She is all torqued down, and she is ready to go. Rear diff is completely back together. Just gotta touch up the e-brakes, but I'll do that when I hook the cables back up. I got my special helper here with me.
Hi.
And we're gonna put the rear end back in the car. Let's get to it. Jack the rear up. I'll hold it in place. Alright, good?
Yeah.
You grab that jack stand and I'll grab that. Good? Get it completely out from underneath the car if you can. Make things easier. Alright. So lower that down slowly. Fine. Good. Hold it there. Move this over here. I can't even see what we're doing, but
I can.
alright. Lower it down.
Wait, quit lifting up the other side.
That's fine, just lower it. It's gonna fall into place.
Ready?
Yeah, completely let it go. Alright, so the rear's on the leaf springs. We gotta tighten up the front bolts, get the U-bolts in place, shock mounts and the shocks up, drive shaft back in place, and essentially the rear end's back in, hook the brake lines up, hook the e-brakes back in, and she's ready to rock and roll. What are we doing now?
Putting in the drive shaft. But you said it was down here.
It is.
Where?
Right there. So the rear's hooked up, drive shaft's in, brakes are bled, she fires back up. I just have to re-torque everything because I'm just gonna double check everything.
Because I helped.
Because she helped. Get the wheels back on and get her back rolling. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.